Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in Instagram story. Mentioning someone in your Instagram story is a great way to tag a friend or give shoutouts, and here's how. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to create your story, and to do that, just go to your Instagram app right here and click on it, and then swipe right to open the stories camera. After that, capture or upload content that you want to share. For example, I'm just gonna take a random picture right here. For example, after that, add a mention. Tap the text tool or sticker icon like this right here. No, no. Just click on it and write Arabas. Let's see here. Click here, search for Arabas. Yes, this is the one. Type it and type it followed by the username of the person you want to tag and select their profile from the suggestion. I'm gonna click, I'm gonna tag Cristiano Ronaldo, for example. As you can see, I chose it's his profile right here from the bottom, and I chose it. And the third step, and it's the final step, share your story. You can share it by clicking on the arrow in the bottom right corner right here and click on share. Just click on share. Not now. Click done. And that's it. You've tagged a friend in an Instagram story. For additional tips, double check the username for accuracy. You don't want to tag another person in a story instead of the right person. And use mentions to collaborate or engage with your audience. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you mention someone in an Instagram story. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.